Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imran Hazi. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. I'll give you an example. You are new to a company. Your boss instructed you to construct a table, a graph, or a bar chart on each profit of each item sold by the company. You are new to the company. You do not know how to do this. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to sort data in Microsoft Excel. Oh, and by the way, I'm using Microsoft Excel version 2019. Okay, let's begin. First and foremost, you need to go here, this Windows icon, or we call it Start menu. So go there and click here. You will find Microsoft Excel here. So click on it. Click on it and you will click on blank workbook. So here you are given a blank workbook to start from scratch. So firstly we need to make a table. So how we are going to do that? So firstly we need to highlight, select, click and hold and highlight these three column. This row, three column, row number 4 and this three column B, C, D. So you click merge and center. So same to the other column, merge and center. Merge, merge and center. Merge and center. So you want to do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you want to type here? Item. First one, item. So second, quantity. Next one, you want to put model for each unit. Unit or item. So unit. Unit. Next we want to put price for each unit. And then you put the profit. So what you want to do here, it depends on how many of your item is. So for example, I'm going to do 9. So select here, select this row and drag down until 9. So drag until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what you want to do, after you highlight this here, and then you go to merge and center. Don't click here, but you must click here, this tiny button. Click it and go to merge across. See the difference between this and this? What it does, it only merge for each row. See row. Okay, what happened when you click merge center? So let me show you. So when you click merge center, it will do this. See, big chunk like this. We don't want this. So Ctrl Z to undo and then click here and merge across. Do this to all of the category. Merge center, merge center. Sorry. Do this for each category. So highlight, merge across, highlight, merge across, highlight and merge across, and merge across. What you want to do here is to make an outline for each of this category or for the whole table, so it will look prettier. it will look like a table rather than this. So how we are going to do that? So you need to click and highlight all of the categories, and then right click, and you see here, see, and click bottom border, this bottom border, and click here, this tiny button. It will show you this. So what you want to do, you go and select all borders. See, now you can differentiate between this and the normal cell. So for making it look easier to see, you want to highlight this on this row, the categories row, and then right click on it, and then click here, and then you want to click on tick outside borders to make it easier to see. So there. Now you want to fill in the needed information. So here I already fill out the needed items. So here, television, microwave, fridge, blender, wall fan, standing fan, air conditioner, hair dryer, and coffee maker. So now we want to fill in the quantity, modal for each unit, price for each unit, and profit. I will skip this part for now. Okay, now I have filled up the information here, but except for the profit, because profit we can calculate using formula. So now what we are going to do, we are going to put in currency for each of these three, because these three category involve pricing. So what you want to do, select all of these, and then go here, and then you click on currency. See, ringgit Malaysia. You also can change the currency, such as ringgit Malaysia, English, USD, pound, euro, and yen. So but we live in Malaysia, so I'm going to select ringgit Malaysia. So now I'm going to show you how to calculate the profit. So now what we're going to do, why we are using formula, because it is easier. You don't need to manually calculate one by one. You don't need to calculate manually, so it will automatically calculate for you. So what you want to do, first let's revise the formula. How to get profit, you need to subtract price for each unit, not subtract price for each unit multiplied by the quantity, and then you need to subtract that with modal for each unit multiplied by quantity. So I'm going to type in here equal and select price for each. Before that, open bracket, price for each unit multiplied by, or you can use the star as a multiply symbol. So click on quantity and close bracket, and minus open bracket, modal for each unit, and then multiply by quantity again. So close bracket, and then it will show you the profit. So you don't need to manually key in the formula on each of the cell. Just click here and click this tiny dot here and drag down. You automatically calculate for you there, easier for you. And then the table is done. See, we already done doing the table. Now we are going to proceed to do the graph or the bar. Okay, now we are going to make a bar chart based on the table that we have construct. How we are going to do that? So here how to do that. Go to insert tab. There's a lot of choices here. So what you want to use is, go for this one, click on it, and choose here cluster column. So what you get, this chart area, blank chart area. What you want to do is to enlarge it for you for you to easier to see. Enlarge it, so enlarge it. Okay, enlarge it. So now what you want to do is to insert the data. So how we going to do that? Right click on the blank, don't right click outside, right click on the blank canvas here and select data. Click on select data. See this chart data range, this is your y-axis. So your y-axis must be your profit. So click here, click and drag down, click select the entire column here, and then see it automatically insert for you and build a bar chart. But your x-axis is not ready, so what you want to do, click edit here, click edit and select here item, select the item column and click OK and press OK. See there, it has constructed your bar chart. So what you want to do is to change the chart title to your title, preferred title. So what you want to change it to profit of 2090. Okay, after we change the title, of course you want to make the bar chart look pretty, right? So what you want to do, you click here, click the bar chart and you select any of your preference. You can click, so click this one and then go here to make it look centered. See, it is not centered here, so just drag this series overlap and go until it is centered. Okay, like that. So it's now centered. See, it is now centered. So you also can change the color of the bar chart. Don't worry. You can change the color of the bar chart, the fill. So click here, solid fill. So you want to select color. So for example red. Or you want to customize each of these bar. So click here and select orange. You can select yellow. Here you can select example blue. You can select here green. Also you can make them black, and then this can make him beige color, and then lastly you can make them grey. So see, colorful. You can make them colorful. Now if you want to change the background, you can also change the background. See, solid fill, you can change the background to blue, but to black, but let's just use white. It's better that way. Okay, next, how we want to label this. This is profit. How we want to label the y-axis and x-axis. So click here and then see, you can see data label, data table, all of that, error bar, grid line. See, to put here axis title. See, so enlarge, you can enlarge, always enlarge if there is no space. So click on axis title. So you want it. Click. So you want to name here profit. So here you want to name it item. See, you already label the y-axis and x-axis. So basically we are entirely done here. After we finish labeling the y-axis and the x-axis, our bar chart is done. See, you can also customize this y-axis and x-axis here. Just click here double click it, and then it will open this tab. So you can customize it here. So that's all for the bar chart. So basically we are done doing the data sorting in Microsoft Excel.